my new location, which is the Volcano Lodge and Thermal Experience. Because it's night, when I got here, it was 5:30, 6 o'clock, and it gets dark in Costa Rica every day at the same time, 5:30 basically. It was too dark to really take any reasonable pictures, but this is a map of the resort. It's huge, and it's very rustic or forest. It's at the foot of the Volcano. And so here's a quick tour of the room. Here's the door, entranceway. I'll let y'all see outside. You can't see nothing. I'll tour in the morning again. Double bedded room, although I'm a single, but it was just in case somebody decided to tag along. Here's a picture of the Volcano, which I can see right out that window in the morning. And this room is way too cold. I gotta get the air regulated because the last 2 days I've been without air conditioner by choice at where I stayed prior. So it's cold, and I think I'm gonna turn the air off. Here's the artwork. It's very cutely decorated. There's a mirror, there's a TV. The other place didn't have a TV or air. That was the remnants of my dinner. I've already spread out and saw my junk on that bed. This is where I'm sleeping, which I've turned down already. All my devices charging here. My tours for the next 2 days. Horseback riding tomorrow, and the hanging bridges the next day. Y'all pray for me with the hanging bridges. Here's my back door. That's an entrance outdoor to my personal volcano hot spring tub. It's beautiful. You'll see it in the morning. Here's the bathroom. Pretty standard. I can hear my neighbor's water. These are like bungalows. One unit over there, one unit over here. And somebody's over there taking a shower. Here's my shower. I already hung up my bathing suit from earlier today. It was still wet. And yes, it very much is a lodge because it has windows like a lodge. But that's the shower. And I am thoroughly satisfied with the accommodations. So I'll give you a better tour in the morning. It's 5:15 a.m. in the morning. And look how bright it is. It's my view of the volcano. I think you can see it. Let's take another still. This is a tour of the thermal Volcano Lodge and thermal experience. Here are the grounds from the main restaurant called the Sura, and there's hot springs throughout the area. The grounds, there's hot springs on the grounds, and the hot springs are, or thermal springs is the word they use, are open until 3 a.m. in the morning. Here's one of them. I have my own private one.
Good.
That's great.
Perfecto.
Be nice to.
You have how many days do you have in Costa Rica?
I have 7 days. This is my fourth day. Yeah,
Okay,
right in the middle.
What kind of animal do you see here? Huh?
I seen sloths. I seen frogs. Something that look, a lot of birds that look like turkeys, but they're not.
Wild turkey.
Wild turkeys, maybe. Yeah.
How about monkeys? Nah.
No monkeys yet.
You
No.
like to see here?
Oh wow.
You like to see a little bit more?
Which type of monkey is
A
that?
howler monkey.
Howler monkeys? Yeah, no monkeys yet. Exactly. I'm truly in the forest now. Oh yeah. Do they care to like move away from humans, or
No.
they don't care about you?
No. Here a little bit, but now it's okay because you have a lot of people here.
Cool.
I think it's
We're gonna be good today. Yes, we are. Right? Mm-hmm. Go? Okay. And if she knows where to go. Am I too tight on her reins, or no? That's loose enough? Yeah, okay. I'm watching you. Okay, loose a little bit.
You have to go a little bit fast and you steer a little bit so you pull back, okay? You pull back and then stop a little bit and then you lose the reins a little bit.
Okay. She knows where to go. She surely does. Whoa. 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 Good girl. All right. All right. Slow.
Yesterday it's a lot of rain in here, you know.
Okay.
This tree, I think it's like a thunder and then.
Ooh.
You have to go.
Okay. Oh, somebody found. Take some picture. Got it. Got it. Oh my God. Lord have mercy.